nĩ kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩrehete hamwe arĩa matoretie mũrimũ wa kansa na arĩa marathiĩ na mbere na kwamũkĩra ũrigiti. Arĩ mũthĩ wa kũririkana arĩa mahotete gũtoria mũrimũ ũyũ, kũrĩa mambĩte gũtarĩria ũrĩa mahotanire mbara ĩtigĩrĩtwo nĩ aingĩ.
I was diagnosed with acute leukemia, blood cancer in 2016, August, and my journey has been up and down, but I thank God for the doctors, and as we celebrate today the the day of the survivors.
Nikaanza na chemotherapy. I went for 8 chemotherapies, then nikaenda surgery, nikafanya mastectomy. Sina one breast, even though nime develop lymphedema, but na manage. Then after that nikakuwa na risk of recurrence, which I did total hysterectomy. Hiyo ni kutolewa ovaries, uterus, fallopian tube na cervix, na nikasurvive hiyo. Then 2025 ikarudi kwa kwapa, na hiyo sasa ndio niko on treatment, though hakuna kitu nasaidiwa, najifanyia kazi yangu yote.
My encouragement is to tell people that cancer is not a death sentence. When you get it early, you can be managed, and when you have a positive attitude, you can live, because healing starts with you.
Ona thengia wa gũtoria marauga thabarĩ ĩno ndĩkoretwo ĩ hũthũ, makĩria gũtirikwo makĩũria andũ matũra-inĩ matigage kwarĩrĩra arĩa marwara, makamonia wendo.
Na mzee wangu naye pia hakuwa anaelewa hii ni nini, so aliona tu tukilipa NHIF. Juu hiyo wakati tulikuwa tunalipa NHIF, alilipa tu NHIF for 1 year. So ni hata nikienda pale kwake nikimuitisha pesa, alikuwa nauliza, si nimelipa NHIF, pesa ingine ni ya nini? Na hiyo ilifanya hata tu separate na yeye, hatuko pamoja na yeye hata wa sasa. So nasema nimepitia mambo makubwa, hakuna kazi, huna pesa. Unaona ni kama ukienda kwa watu ni kama unawapatia hiyo mzigo kubeba na wawezi.
Kũringana na arigitani, korwo kansa yamenyeka tene, gĩcunjĩ kĩa 70 harĩ 100 kĩa andũ Kenya matingĩhotagwo nĩguo, kuona gĩcunjĩ kĩa 30 harĩ 100 tu no mahotaga kũmĩtoria.
So in our country every year we see over close to 50,000 new cases, and unfortunately 70% of this succumb to the illness because of late presentation. So I would say survival rate is about 30%. So in every 10 new cancer patients we are seeing, 3 of them are going to survive and 7 may succumb just because of late presentation and late diagnosis. In the developed countries, we see this has totally switched. Like out of the presentation, 70% survive, only 30% succumb.
Ona kũhana ũguo, marauga thirikari nĩ igeretie hoka nĩ motungata kũhĩtũkĩra SHA, no marĩ na mendekithia.
I take medication. I thank God for SHA. Sometimes it pays off some bills for the management here in Kenya, and we're happy for that.
As a country, as Kenya, we have universities which are training doctors, nurses, radiation therapists, medical physicists, just to name a few. And all these are doing research, our own research in Kenya, to see what are the main causes of cancer, how do we prevent it, how do we treat, what are the best treatment modalities. So all that is work that is going on. And apart from our government and public sector investing in cancer care, there's a lot going on behind the scene, and we just hoping we will reach the US statistics whereby over 70% of the cancer patients are surviving.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Jenga wa Wambui.